New images reveal another perspective of the history-making moment when NASA's double asteroid redirection test spacecraft successfully slammed into the asteroid Dimorphos. While DART's own camera shared dramatic images of the asteroid's surface before it crashed on Monday, newly released images and video captured by a companion satellite show the impact from a distance. Watch the video above. NASA successfully crashes spacecraft into asteroid. Watch the latest news on Channel 7 or stream for free on 7+. The images were captured by a cube satellite known as LICIACube. The light Italian CubeSat for imaging of asteroids, provided by the Italian Space Agency, is about the size of a briefcase. It deployed from the DART spacecraft on September 11 and traveled behind it to record the event from a safe distance of about 55 kilometers. 3 minutes after impact, the CubeSat flew by Dimorphos, which orbits a larger asteroid, Didymos, to capture images and video. The impact caused the entire asteroid system to brighten as it caught light from the sun. The series of images showcases bright material releasing from the surface of Dimorphos after the collision. Didymos is in the foreground. Here are the pictures taken by LICIACube of the world's first planetary defense mission, Argotec Space, an Italian company that developed the CubeSat for the Italian Space Agency, said on Twitter. This is exactly where the #NASA #DART mission ended. An incredible emotion, the beginning of new discoveries. Loading tweet: the egg-shaped asteroid's surface, covered in boulders, looked similar to Bennu and Rigel, two other asteroids visited by spacecraft in recent years. Scientists suspect that Dimorphos is a rubble pile asteroid made of loosely bound rocks. The mission team is eager to learn more about the impact crater left behind by DART, which they estimate to be about 10 meters to 20 meters in size. There may even be shattered pieces of spacecraft in the crater. The intentional collision, which took place about 11 million kilometers away from Earth, was humanity's first asteroid deflection attempt. Neither Dimorphos nor Didymos pose a threat to Earth. But analysis of how much the DART spacecraft was able to alter Dimorphos' motion could inform techniques to protect Earth should a space rock ever be heading for impact. While it will take about 2 months for observations from ground-based telescopes to determine whether DART was successful in slightly shrinking Dimorphos' orbit around Didymos, observatories, including the Virtual Telescope project in Rome, are already sharing their perspective of the collision event. Loading tweet: astronomers at the Lamaix Observatory on the French island of La Réunion in the Indian Ocean also shared a sequence of images that show the asteroid brightening upon impact, as well as a cloud of material that released from its surface afterward. The cloud drifted eastward and dissipated slowly, according to the European Space Agency. Lamaix is a collaborating station as part of the ESA's Planetary Defense Office and Near-Earth Object Coordination Center. A video of observations shared by the observatory condenses about 30 minutes worth of footage into just a few seconds. Something like this has never been done before, and we weren't entirely sure what to expect. It was an emotional moment for us as the footage came in, ESA's Near-Earth Object Coordination Center astronomer Marco Micheli said. As astronomers around the world settle in to study their observations of the asteroid system after impact, the ESA's Hera mission is gearing up for a future visit to Didymos and Dimorphos. Hera will serve as a follow-up mission, launching in 2024. The results from DART will prepare us for Hera's visit to the Didymos binary system to examine the aftermath of this impact a few years from now, Hera mission manager Ian Carnelli said. Hera will help us understand what happened to Dimorphos, the first celestial body to be measurably moved by humankind.